Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add friends to the Goodreads application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and now you should tap on this more icon down below, which is the last option, and now tap on the add friends option, which is the third one. Here you can either search users by their name or by their email address, but you can also invite your friends via Facebook, via your contacts, or invite them using your email or message. Here you can select from a vast variety of options, so click on the one that you prefer. So you can send this invitation link to your friends in order to persuade them to join this application, and then you will be able to start the reading challenge together. Here at this friends challenges section you will be able to see the items that your friends have added to their want to read section, meaning that these are the books that you plan to read this year. So that's the so-called reading challenge that you can do with your friends. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.